We've got one fight set. This is Mehmet Osmanli versus Selimberg Akilbekulu. Mehmet Osmanli did really well. In last two fights, defeated Ozatbek Babakulov and Momila. He was losing at one Friday fights, which was kind of surprising. To me, at Octagon he did well, and out of nowhere this fella's like appearing, this Selimberg Akilbekulu. And on the other side, ineffable Mehmet Osmanli has a record 12-1-0, fighting out of Zabitsa Meadow Fight Club, Azerbaijan 5'9". This fella, he's on a grind. He destroyed Bakhtavar Yunusov, Ali Yousefi, Fayez Jacobs, Shamil Barayev, Omar Ashur. Literally appears out of nowhere. He dominated United Arab Emirates Warriors, and I'm having a feeling this could be a difficult fight to call. So I'm gonna go with over 1.5. If I must pick a side, I think Osmanli is more consistent. So I'm going with Azerbaijani fighter.